Hey, here it is right here. Oh my goodness, this is a beauty. Dodge Challenger. Oh God, I forgot what year already. But based off this hood, this might have not the 392 guys. Oh, the Hellcat trim package. This is a freaking beauty. Guess what? They just traded in. Now I need to go test drive this. Ain't really no plates on it because some guy traded it in. Anybody want to take stabs at why people trade in a super fast Challenger with the Hellcat trim package on it? I'm saying Hellcat based off of this. In fact, let's get it in and fire it up. I gotta go drive it, guys. Now y'all know I can't be filming and driving. That should be illegal, especially in something this fast. Let's take a listen. Oh, yes, that's definitely a freaking 6.2 supercharged. Oh my goodness, y'all hear that? Guys, I'm hearing exhaust right here. He must have some extra curriculum activities going on here. I gotta go drive this thing, verify the steering straight. I gotta do a full-blown inspection. All right, let's get on the road. Like I said, I can't. Woo! Yes, I don't know why they would trade it in. Maybe it's too much power for him. Maybe the freaking gas hand going down was turning him off. All right, yeah, guys, that's not cool at all. All right, so what we gonna do is what y'all think? I can't be tempted, man. I can't be tempted to punch this thing. However, ooh, look, I'm barely on the accelerator pedal and I'm put some G's in my back. All right, I may need a helmet for this one, guys. Yes, guys, we can't be clowning around. And technically, this is not a customer car, so I can pretty much not hold back, but I got to figure out what's wrong with the damn thing. Okay, see, there goes one right there. I don't know. I think that's my buddy's though. I think he got the 390. Yeah, this one has the, I don't really know what it's got, but when I get it in the shop, woo, we're gonna find out, guys. Let's do this. Let's go on a quick test drive. And now again, I can't, oh my God. All right, yeah, ooh, this is too much power for one man. No wonder he traded it in. He tired of getting all these tickets. All right, guys, I'm at a red light. I don't want to film while I'm driving, so y'all stay tuned, man. We're going to talk some more when I get it in the shop. Let's freaking get it. God. Oh, my goodness. This thing is freaking sweet. I got to go. Alrighty, guys. I made it back in the shop in one piece. Thank you. Oh, my goodness. I cannot drive this car every day. Now, let's turn this thing off and let's go take a look at something. Let's pop the hood. Ain't she pretty? Yes, 6.2 supercharged Hellcat trim package. All right. Now I gotta check this thing over. Like I say, I think somebody traded it in when they want it on the lot ASAP. So what I need to do is find out if anything wrong with it. Now y'all went on the test drive with me. I couldn't find nothing wrong with the suspension, steering wheel straight, and there's no loose noise. Not that many miles on the vehicle at all. But let me get this thing in the air and see if there's anything noticeable under there. And plus I got to scan the computer. All right, I need to know if any added mods, you know, a lot of people when they buy these, they add things to it from a computer standpoint to try to enhance it even more. Like, how much more power do you want? Okay, yeah, but people will buy these and add more mods to them. So I need to find out if anything, and the computer have a way to figure that out too. So you can't really trick Mopar engineers. They own it, doggone it. All right, so let me get this thing in the air and see what we find. Alrighty. All right. Yes, I didn't feel anything abnormal with the brakes. 6,000 miles, I guarantee you, some brake pads have already been replaced. All right, so my job is to look. You see that? It's an 8 HP, but it's a steel transmission. You don't want that plastic junk on a high-performance engine like this. Well, look at the size of that caliper, guys. Yes, this thing has to be able to stop. Regular calipers may not be able to pull that off. All right, hold tight. Oh, this is why it's making an additional. Now it's making sense. I mean, these engines are loud, but this one's a little extra loud. Okay, they got an opening right here. Now, these are the cat converters, right? So there's not no cat delete or anything like that. However, yeah. Anybody want to take a stab at what's going on here? Yeah, okay. Interesting. So I want to say this is not, no, this is not factory, guys. This is some type of add-on, possibly. Now, what they should have did, see, that loose exhaust that's coming out, just, it's a good thing they're hitting up against this, but all this soot, just, all on the frame. Is it causing anything? Maybe not. This just making the vehicle louder. Okay, yeah, I just taking away the job of a muffler, which is to muffle the noise. I see resonators on this thing. I don't even see. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Anybody see mufflers back here? So is this a muffler delete package? Perhaps. Now they do have cats. If you don't have cats, you're gonna screw with the computer. All right, computer looking at upstream and downstream. Technically, look at downstream is in the center of the cat. Okay, typically downstream is behind it, but they do this package here do some weird things with numbers. But I don't see nothing major, guys. Now I'm almost certain the guy's not complaining about this, because like I say, this is exhaust noise, and I got 4 holes in here, which means something should go there, and there's a switch that the guy used to open and close it. Like, you don't want this loud all the time, right? Yeah, I've seen some that have a apparatus right here, and he got a switch inside to, like I say, to open it up. So you want that loud sound, you go into the track, push that button and open it up. When you're in a quiet neighborhood, close it, it gets quiet. Yeah, but you don't have that on here. So, but it's, like I say, is that a problem? Likely not. Now, what I want to see is the rear of the rear wheel. This is a rear wheel drive right here. I don't see any rubber debris right here. You know what that tells me? No burnouts. He hasn't been doing burnouts. Or the previous owner hasn't been burned out. Now I want to compare this 6.2. This is a Challenger. I want to compare this. It's another 6.2 Challenger down there. I want to look at the exhaust on that one and compare it to this one. Y'all, hold tight. Oh, all right. Let's look at this one. Oh, okay. This is definitely not going to be the same. He got some added. Oh, he have headers on this one. It's not going to be the same, guys. Look, they put the OSU sensor right here. There's no cat. Oh, this is a catless. Unless they considered it. No, this ain't a damn cat. And here's a downstream. So, yeah, we definitely can't compare this one to that one. Oh, my goodness. Interesting. All right, it's not the same. All right, let's wrap this up. All right, guys. Like I said, I got to scan this. I'm going to do that off camera. But as you can see, there's no thread depth in these tires, so I will recommend 2 front tires. All right, do them in pairs from the front to rear. Looks like they never, the rear has tread in them. Okay, they never did rotate them, I guess. It's okay to rotate these because they're the same. So basically 2 front tires. And let me scan the computer, and I'm just gonna mention this to him because I'm sure he's already know. All right, I don't know if I think I'm supposed to do an oil change, but guys, we supposed to check this frame, guys. You never know what kind of damage on these damn things. People be jumping ramps and all kinds of crazy stuff. All right, I'm gonna wrap this video up. All right, this is a nice car. Hopefully a new buyer will be happy with it, but gotta get them some new tires. That's all I have, guys. Thanks for watching.